bike. This is Tim's cousin Joseph. He's going to be coming with us and filming.
We just got 3 medium fries. We just got the fries. The guy didn't even care. He's like, this probably happens every day. So funny. He's just like, what do you want to order?
What?
Almost left there, boys. The cashier just walked by and was totally fine with it. I'm really surprised that they're making it this far. Wow. Dude, I know. They're right there, guys. Like right behind that spiky bush. Dude.
Just got into our parking spot. Very nice. So we just finished eating our food from In-N-Out. Super good. Now we're gonna go over to Zaxbys, get the cheapest thing on their menu. Can we get the white cheddar bites? No, that'll be it. Okay, thanks.
Two hours later.
Dude, they're so slow.
Oh, here it comes. Oh, here it comes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day. We just got our grub from Zaxbys. Super excited to dig into this.
We've never even been to Zaxbys. I have no idea what
Yeah, we don't even know if this will taste good. First bite.
Mozzarella bites. Good. It's like mozzarella bites.
Won't even get
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We did it. We went through the drive. Oh my. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.